Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Setting up a Python code editor on Android, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to set up a Python code editor on your Android device, allowing you to write, edit, and run Python code on the go. We'll be using an app called pydroid, which is a powerful Python IDE for Android. Once installed, open pydroid and explore its features. Let's create a simple Python script to display "Hello, Android" on the screen. You should see the output "Hello, Android" displayed in the terminal. Pydroid allows you to install external Python libraries easily. For example, let's install the requests library. Explore pydroid settings to customize your coding environment. You can adjust themes, font sizes, and other preferences according to your liking. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Python code editor on your Android device using pydroid. This enables you to write and run Python code conveniently, making it a valuable tool for on-the-go development. Explore more features as you continue to use pydroid and enhance your mobile coding experience. ChatGPT.